Click on the gear icon at the top right of the screen to go to the Stripe settings. On this page, scroll down a bit and click on the payment option over here. Then click on payment methods just right here. At this window, you can scroll all the way down and search for the payment method that you want to remove. For example, I want to disable or remove the Alipay payment method as I no longer selling my products to the people of China. So you want to click on the three dots at the specific payment method, then choose the view details option. This tab will appear and tap on disable button just below the name of the payment method. And you are good to go. Alipay was already removed from my Stripe payment method. You can apply the same thing for the other payment method on Stripe. If you still have any questions, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.